My name's Edward, I'm one of the directors at Zero Waste Group. We started Zero Waste Group on the 1st of January 2020 with the ambition of giving consumers and businesses a really efficient and reliable waste service. So as the business has grown, what we found is there's been a lot of demand from customers for other services. We had ambitions to grow quite quickly. One of the things that we found is the more we advertised, the more customers we got, so that was a very good outcome. The downside of that though was managing the incoming traffic. It proved to be really difficult.
Hi, I'm Adam Monaghan. I'm the Solutions Director and co-founder at F1 Technologies. F1's been running since 2014 and we offer full telephone system solutions, mobile solutions, Wi-Fi, broadband connectivity, among other products. So when Zero Waste approached us, they had quite specific needs over what they needed from the telephone system that weren't currently being met. The problem they were having over their current solution was that they were getting a number of inquiries in. They weren't able to fulfill those inquiries with the members of the staff they had in the office and the amount of inquiries they were currently dealing with at the time. So that led to them missing quite a few calls, and as a result, that's lost business.
We looked at a lot of different systems, and there are a lot out there, but the system we finally landed on was a system called Univerge Blue from NEC.
So we were really looking for a solution that we could put in for them that limited the amount of missed calls, and if they were to miss a call, because it does happen from time to time, generate a way of them being able to call back those customers as soon as possible.
It's been really helpful in that we can now see what sort of customer is calling us at any one time. So we can tell how many new customers called us in a day, how many were existing customers. We can see who answered the call, how long it took to answer the call. All the calls are recorded, so if we get issues with any quotation we've given, anything like that, or misunderstandings, then we can refer back to the calls and see what was actually said, which has been absolutely brilliant.
With the NEC Univerge Blue system, we built in an automatic callback feature, which meant that when calls were missed, they kept their position in queue, and they actually, as soon as the agent became free, by ending their current call, call back that missed call. And they found that because of that, they were able to win back a lot more business that would have eventually been lost.
The other side of the Univerge Blue system is the reporting. We get management reports sent to us, and they can be configured in any way we like, so we can see exactly what's happened. That gives us a real insight into the traffic that we're receiving and how it's being dealt with and how efficiently it's being dealt with. The other thing it's enabled us to do is to reduce the amount of office space that we currently use. People have asked, can they work from home? And the Univerge Blue system allows for that perfectly, because we can see exactly what people are doing when they're at home in terms of answering calls. It's as if they're in the office, but it's been absolutely brilliant.
We've seen massive growth in them as a business, and as a result, we need to put in a solution that would grow with them. With this solution, it's a user-based system, so as soon as a new member of staff joins the office team, they just give us a call. We liven up that user, download the application onto their PC or laptop, and within minutes we can add them into the queue so they can start taking calls.
One of the biggest comments we get in our reviews now, customers actually mention that the communication with the office was excellent and their call was dealt with brilliantly, and we get a lot of compliments about it, so we're really pleased.
So at F1 we try and build long-standing relationships with our customers, and what we found was that we needed their services as well. So we now have a regular pickup from Zero Waste every month.
The thing you notice immediately, just from the very start of when you're dealing with a company, is how they react to initial inquiries. Some people, say, well, they'll get back to you. Some people say, I'll pass that on to the appropriate person. And some people, whoever you're on your phone to, takes responsibility there and then and just cracks on with it. And that's one of the things that we noted about F1 from the start, is that as soon as we made our inquiry, they were on it and trying to really, really put in their best. And that was before the sale. They're always there to answer your queries when you want them to. They offer great support, great backup. This is a highly technical piece of kit that we've got here, the Univerge Blue system. We've never had any serious downtime with the system, and if we've had any little niggles or indeed needing a little bit of training on something, we can always rely on F1 to provide it.